going. This is Channel 5 Television. This is our last broadcast due to unknown events that we are currently witnessing. It's happening 2 and 3 times a year, and the solar system studies actually follow. They have done a number of these studies, and there's one study going up. I'm afraid to say this, but we've been told that an enormous black hole is coming in contact with Earth. It is possible that it will destroy everything. There will be nothing left. We must be prepared for this event, as it will be the end of the world. There is no escape from this end, but all of us must face it together in unity, courage and grace. That will be for us and for the foreseeable future. According to the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, it is believed that black holes are dangerous and travels at a high speed of 300 kilometers per hour and grows at 1,000-meter wide. If such a black hole were to make contact with Earth, there will be a massive bang that can destroy even the space-time continuum. If that is the case, then all of us must be prepared. This is not a drill. If you wish to die at your own risk, commit suicide. Don't do this. If you have children or loved ones, and I'm sure they are comfortable during these circumstances, hold your family, and make time to remember their lives. Do not disturb anyone's peace during the end, as this will lead to jail or legal force. Do not leave children in dark times. It is your choice if you want to tell them about this current event. Everybody at Channel 5 wishes you all the best and courage, and may your soul rest peacefully and always be blessed with it. Thank you so much for watching Channel 5 Television after almost 5 years of service and entertainment. We would not have been a successful broadcaster if it were not for all of us, our viewers, most importantly, to you. And now we will sign off one last time with the national anthem with full dignity and respect. So from me, Clark Hansen, and from all of us here on Channel 5 Television, all that's left for me to say is thank you, goodbye, and God save the Queen.